In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Echo bike. So before we get started, I'm just going to go ahead and give you a quick overview of what's going to happen. So we're going to put on these two base legs. In order to do that, you put in like two bolts and two washers and a nut on both sides. And you do the same thing on the back leg over here. After that, we're going to screw in this metal here that holds the console. We're going to put on the two arms here. And there's also a little peg that you can screw in as well on each side. And we're also going to screw in the pedals here. Also, if you ordered the additional parts like I did, you might have a phone holder where you can just unscrew these two screws, screw them in, and a bottle holder where you can just kind of use an Allen wrench to loosen that and then put it back in. To set up this bike probably takes about a half hour or so. Look at this, sweet! So right below the seat is this back leg. I'm gonna start by putting that one in first. You can see it has two washers here, and then the bolt. Back leg is set. Now I'm gonna go to the front. So before we put on this front leg with the wheels facing forward, we gotta first unscrew. There's like a little plastic form that's holding this front part, so we gotta just unscrew that and then use the bolt and the two washers to secure this front leg to here. I'll slide this out. Oh, that's like a plastic 2x4. That's kind of cool. This is surprisingly heavy. Wow. This is definitely the highest quality exercise equipment I have ever had. Everything about this just feels super high quality. Okay, now I'm going to screw in this pedal. It says R, so this goes on the right side of the bike, and I'm going to spin it facing towards the front of the bike. Then to tighten it, we've got this nice little wrench here to tighten it. Time to put this on the left side. Okay, now I'm going to attach this arm here that holds the console, a spring washer like the other one, and the two arced or curved washers. And I'm going to plug in this electrical cord. Next up, I'm going to put the two AA batteries that came with the console. I'm going to put them back here. Then I'm going to connect this wire to this wire up here. And then I'm going to unscrew these four screws and screw them into those four holes to secure it to the plate. The power cable in. So now I'm going to attach the left arm to the bike, and I need two of the long bolts with the little spring washers. They're going to go through these two holes here at the bottom, and then they're going to screw into these nuts, these hexagon nuts on the other side. There's a little vertical slot that needs to line up with a white line on here. So I put these two long bolts through here. You can see that the white line is lined up with the notch there. And now I'm going to tighten this little hexagon nut. These need to be incredibly tight. If you do not make them super tight, there will be a little bit of give here. And when you're pushing the arms back and forth, you will have a little bit of give. We're going to take off this little rubber cap here. We're going to put the pegs on each side. Sorry, my battery died, but I just finished tightening on the pegs. Now I'm going to put on this cell phone holder. And then down here, I'm going to put on a little bottle holder. Now everything is good to go. And man, is this thing fun to ride. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.